Hi!
Hi!
What are we doing today, Christelle?
Dollar store food test part 2.
We went back to the dollar store.
Cause we're stupid.
Let's start.
First of all,
My phone!
caramel corn, gourmet D. So we've had gourmet D's chips before.
Yeah, it was the ketchup.
This is actually pretty decent. So we got their caramel corn.
How? What?
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh! That's huge!
it's 2 bunched
Oh.
into 1.
I was like, what the fuck? Oh, okay. I mean, it's okay.
Gourmet D is always so disappointing.
It's like mildly adequate.
I mean, it's okay. Next,
Jaffa cookies, biscuits, Jaffa.
Jafar cookies from Aladdin. These are Jaffa cookies with orange jelly. It's a product of Poland.
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 And artificial flavors.
Wow, Poland. Not bad.
I don't know, it was just very potent, it threw me off. I have a sensitive nose.
Okay. What does it smell like?
You know, you remember those like chocolate? It was like in the box and it looked like an orange and it was like that huge circle and it would like be like orange peels but it's all chocolate.
Deley's chocolate orange.
That! Yeah!
It looks
like
a,
this.
It looks like a big fat chocolate nipple.
Bruh.
What the fuck?
Was there even anything in there?
My jelly ripped out.
I thought the cookie would be like hard.
It's like a really soft butter cookie.
Oh no, how is it though? It's good.
It's okay.
So far, everything's been good. Now watch everything turn to hell, like it did last time.
Next!
More chocolate!
Rice cakes with milk.
Ever since the last episode, mistakes have been made. We haven't trusted anything from the dollar store with the word milk in it. Blue brand milk snack. So we're very hesitant about this.
It's a rice cake with chocolate on it.
It looks like that. It's thin.
You know those Quaker rice cakes? Have you ever looked at styrofoam and wondered what it would taste like? This is what it would taste like.
I think it's okay.
I don't. It tastes and looks like styrofoam.
I'm fine with this. These are okay. I'm keeping them.
Next!
Hazelnut spread. Basically, off-brand.
Nutella.
Yep, we have bread.
The consistency is like butter, I guess.
That looks so unappetizing once you mix the two together.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Shite. Compared to this. Look at that.
Like, that's pretty. It's not as sweet as Nutella. It has the same taste, but it's like toned down.
Yeah.
I dig it.
Mm-hmm. That is pretty good, holy shit.
So if you ever thought that Nutella was too sweet for you,
Go buy this at your local dollar store.
Gourmet D hasn't disappointed us yet.
Oh.
What is that?
Next.
Is this the last?
Yeah.
Our last item.
Hummus.
No, 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 no.
I didn't agree to this.
How did we find this, Christelle? What state was it in?
Usually you're supposed to refrigerate hummus, but we just found it on a shelf right by the chips and all the rice. Basically where all the dry food is, and this is nowhere close to dry food, but it's by Gourmet D. And so far everything from them has been either mildly adequate or like very good.
Let's go.
Oh, at least it's vacuum sealed.
It looks like cum.
Hold on, another one.
You get one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Let's go.
I was so against this. I didn't want to do this. I saw it and he goes, let's do it. I was like, no! This is is what I get for saying we needed something controversial.
This is very controversial. It's hummus. Oh.
No, God!
Oh.
No, God, please, no!
I mean, it smells like hummus, but not in the right way.
Okay, fun fact. I've never had hummus, so I don't know what it tastes like. This isn't the first hummus I get. 3, 2, 1. Huh? Ah! 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 What is that? Mmm.
I just feel a whole lot of sad right now. 1,000 out of 10. Do not recommend. Would never buy this. I never even considered buying it. Don't buy it. Do not. Ever.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm rubbing caramel corn on my tongue.
And we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye! Everything was good except for that.